Hi everyone, I'm Sachi from English Hub. In today's video, you're gonna learn how to describe the world around you. So, the today's lesson is adjectives. Ready? Let's go. From the beginning, we have to learn what are adjectives. So let's see what are adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or a pronoun. So from an adjective we can describe a noun or a pronoun. If I say it in other words, using adjectives we can add more colors to our sentences. Right? Let's see an example. An umbrella. If we say an umbrella, it's just an umbrella. But if you say a colorful umbrella, yes, we have added more information to the noun umbrella using adjective colorful. So here we have described the noun umbrella by the adjective colorful. So like this, you can add more information or you can add more colors to your sentences using adjectives. Let's see more examples of adjectives and those adjectives in sentences. Tall, short, blue, delicious, nice. These are some of adjectives. Let's see those adjectives in sentences. First one. The blue sky was clear. What about if we say the sky was clear? It's just only a sky. But if we say the blue sky was clear? Yes, we have added some more information to the noun sky using the adjective blue. So, adjectives can modify the nouns. Right, let's see second example. She wore a beautiful dress. It's not just only a dress, but it's a beautiful dress. Right? Next example is, he is a funny friend. Here, he is not a just friend. He is a funny friend. Next example is, I ate a delicious pizza. Here in this sentence, the pizza has been described by the adjective delicious. So like this, you can describe the nouns in your sentences using adjectives. So you can add more colors and you can add more information to your sentences using adjectives. Right? So if you want to add more information to your sentences, you must learn on adjectives. Right? Right. Let's see how to form adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns or pronouns. You know that now. Right? So, those adjectives can be formed in various ways depending on the base word. What does it mean? We can make adjectives by adding prefixes or suffixes for some base words. What are they? Let's see how to form adjectives. First one is from nouns. Many adjectives can be formed by adding a suffix to a noun. Let's see some examples. We can add the suffix full at the end of a noun and make an adjective. The noun is joy. We can add the suffix full at the end of that noun and we can make the adjective joyful. So the noun joy becomes the adjective joyful. Next example is less. We can add the suffix less at the end of some nouns and make adjectives. For example, the noun hope. Let's take the noun hope. We can add the suffix less at the end of this noun and make the adjective hopeless. The noun hope becomes the adjective hopeless. Let's see more examples. You can add the suffix y at the end of some nouns, like this. For the noun rain, we can add the suffix y to make adjective rainy. It's a rainy day. Likewise. Next example is ous. You can add the suffix ous at the end of some nouns. For the noun danger, you can add ous and make the adjective dangerous. Next example is ic. If I say it another way, ick, right? For the noun hero, you can add ic to make the adjective. Hero becomes heroic. So the word hero is the noun and heroic is the adjective. Right? So like this, you can make some adjectives by adding suffixes for some nouns. Right? Let's see what is the other way of making adjectives. Second way of making adjectives is from verbs. You can make some adjectives using verbs also. Let's see how to do that. Right? Some adjectives are formed by modifying or adding a suffix to a verb. Right? For examples, ing. You can add ing at the end of a verb and then those verbs becomes adjectives. For example, interest. You can add the ing at the end of the word interest and then the adjective interesting is formed. Next example is ed. For the verb tire, you can add ed and make the adjective tired. Next one is ive. You can add ive at the end of the verb and make an adjective. For an example, for the verb create, you can add ive and make the adjective creative. Like this, you can make some of adjectives using some verbs. Right? The next way of making adjectives is from other adjectives. Right? Let's see how to do that. You can form new adjectives from existing adjectives. Right? For example, you can add ish at the end of some adjectives and make another adjective. Right? So, from an adjective, you can make another adjective. Let's see some examples. ish. For the adjective red, you can add ish and make another adjective. It gives another meaning. So, the adjective red becomes reddish day. The next point is er and est. Here we can add er or est at the end of some adjective and make another adjectives like this. For the adjective tall, we can add er and make the adjective taller. And also we can add est at the end of the adjective tall and make another adjective as tallest. These types of adjectives are called comparative and superlative adjectives. So, we have to discuss on comparative and superlative adjectives in another video. Let's discuss on these types of adjectives from another lesson. Now, it's time to see what are the positions of these adjectives in sentences. Mainly, there are two positions of adjectives in sentences. They are attributive and predicative. Let's see what are they. Right? Adjectives in the first position. That means before the noun if there is the adjective before the noun, we call it attributive adjectives. But if that adjective in the second position, that means after the noun, we call it predicative adjectives. So let's see some examples, then you can get a clear idea on these positions, right? First sentence is, she has a small car. Here the noun car is described by the adjective small. She has a small car. Here the adjective small is before the noun. But look at the second sentence. Her car is small. In this sentence, the noun is car is described after the noun. So the adjective small is after the noun car. So here the noun small is a predicative adjective. Let's see more example on this. I laughed at the funny clown. Here the clown is described by the adjective funny. And also the adjective funny is before the noun. So here we can say that the adjective is an attributive adjective. But look at the second sentence. The clown is funny. In this sentence, the adjective funny is after the noun. So here the position of the adjective is predicative. Right? Likewise, we can use these adjectives attributively or predicatively. Right? I think that you could get the idea on these things. So let's see some more examples using these adjectives in sentences. Right? First example is, they live in a beautiful house. So it's not just a house, it's a beautiful house. Right? In the second sentence, Lisa is wearing a sleeveless shirt today. So here Lisa's shirt is described by the adjective sleeveless. She has wore a sleeveless shirt. It's not just a shirt, it's a sleeveless shirt. Right? The third sentence is, he writes meaningless letters. He writes letters, but those letters are meaningless. So here the noun letters is described by the adjective meaningless. The next example is, I met a homeless person in New York. Here the noun is person and that noun is described by the adjective homeless. He is not just a person, he is a homeless person. So like this, you can add more information or more colors to your sentences using these adjectives. I think that you got a clear idea on what are adjectives. Let's learn more on these adjectives from our upcoming videos.